The year was 1932, and the great wheat fields of Western Australia were about to face an enemy unlike any other.
Desperate, the government deployed Major Meredith and soldiers, armed with machine guns. It was time for war.
But the emus proved to be highly tactical, agile, and immune to conventional warfare. Ambushes failed. Trucks failed. The birds were simply too fast and scattered quickly. After weeks of chaos and wasted ammunition, the Australian army withdrew. The emus had won the war.